We just had a conversation about Fanny yesterday. She over here threatening Joycelyn. Shout out to Joycelyn. I'm team Joycelyn in this mess, okay? The New York Post, I'm on here for one thing. And then all of a sudden, here comes Fanny and Nathan. And it ain't no daggone verdict, okay? Fannie Willis warned Nathan Wade's lawyer to stay quiet about affair court filing claims. They are coming after us. Where the lawyers at? Where the law? Where's Sandy B? Where Lisa, child? Is this good? This can't be good. I'm thinking this can't be good. You try and tell people what to say. Is that intimidation? I don't know. I only play a lawyer on YouTube sometimes, child. Is it coercion? Like what? It don't sound good to me, right? This is as of 5/19 today, y'all. 5/19 that this came out here on the New York Post. A new witness could testify Fannie Willis warned lover Nathan Wade's former business partner to stay quiet about their affair and explosive new court filing claims. They are coming after us. You don't need to talk to them about anything about us. Willis is alleged to have warned Terrence Bradley. Terrence, I do not recall Bradley, in a September 2023 phone call. Woo, Lord. The call was overheard by Cobb County, Georgia prosecutor Cindy Lee Yeager, according to court papers filed Monday, today, by Trump co-defendant David Schaefer. I think that's his name. Yeah, Fanny, what you thinking about, child? Fanny, what you thinking about, child? Our favorite person, I do not recall. Terrence Bradley. Child, I'd be crossing the street if he was coming down the street. I'm crossing the street. I ain't even gonna hold you. Willis, the Fulton County District Attorney, is currently battling to stay in her post overseeing the election interference case, which charged Donald Trump. Oh God, New York Post, get on my nerves. Which charged Donald Trump and 18 others. By the way, I'm sure you heard, I don't think I put anything up. I couldn't find it. Donald Trump, the Supreme Court said that his name can be on the ballot. So all that taking his name off of the ballot, out the window. It looks like everybody on the Supreme Court agreed. People is upset around here, okay? People is upset around here at that, child. Anyway. She stands accused of carrying on a relationship with Wade, who she appointed special prosecutor, but hiding it from the court, presenting a conflict of interest. Willis, who is this? Oh, that must be the lady. Willis and Wade have said under oath they were only romantic between 2022 and 2023, long after the case started. At a hearing over whether to disqualify Willis last week, Bradley claimed on the stand he had no knowledge of when the two prosecutors started dating. But the filing says Yeager would swear under oath that was at odds. Wait. But the filing says Yeager would swear under oath that was at odds. That's a weirdly worded sentence. With what he told Yeager in person. That the romance began in 2019 during Willis's DA campaign. Okay, so that's Cindy Lee Yeager. Whew, for a second, I thought it was Ashley Merchant. I was going to be like, girl, woo, Lord. Okay, remember when I said, when we was talking about this yesterday, I think it was yesterday or the day before, where it's like, okay, well, you could be having, a relationship in an office environment, but trust me when I tell you, unless you are like the actor extraordinaire, people are going to be able to tell body language, how you just look at people, how you speak with one another, because you can usually tell when you're on the phone, which is another way that people be finding out their spouses be having affairs, because men and women talk differently on the phone to people that they're having relations with. The women for sure, okay? You can just tell if a woman is talking to a man for the most part, okay? These new women, no child, but typically you can tell. This is crazy. All right, Cindy, child. Bradley also texted a lawyer for another Trump co-defendant. The pair were absolutely dating before Willis hired Wade to manage the Trump prosecution in November 2021 and then muttered, "Oh, dang," when confronted with the evidence on the stand. So in other words, he be lying. Yeager is willing to testify. Bradley told, but Terrence out here talking to everybody. Terrence out here talking to everybody. Terrence, can you STF you, ninja? Lord, this would it see. This is a lesson to learn to everybody. STF you. Even if you know they doing, whoever's doing whatever, ain't none of my business. I don't give a damn. Ain't none of my business. I don't give a damn. Child. Yeager is willing to testify. Bradley told her Wade had definitively begun a romantic relationship with Ms. Willis during the time that Ms. Willis was running for district attorney in 2019 through 2020, Monday's filing says, meaning today's filing. Hey, Fido, today's filing says, hey, Nate. Nate's been quiet, y'all. Nathan has been quiet. Okay. But the problem is that your line brother, your fraternity brother, your divine nine, or whatever the hell the males are called, child, I don't know if it's all the same damn thing. I'm not none of those things. Okay. Was running off at the mouth, child. He probably told the secret handshake. What are they, Kappas or Alphas? Anybody know? What are they? Does anybody know what they are, child? He probably then gave out the secret handshake for a small fee, child. For any woman that comes along. I think Terrence got a problem with allegedly a problem with women. Like he'll do anything for a woman. Is he a simp? Is he a simp, y'all? Am I getting it right? After watching Bradley's testimony, Yeager became concerned as a result of the fact that what Mr. Bradley stated to on the witness stand was directly contrary to what Mr. Bradley had told Ms. Yeager in person. Monday's filing says Willis testified that she began dating Wade in 2022 after she hired him. The timeline is important because it can be proven that Willis lied on the stand and it would likely result in her being booted from the case. Honestly, it probably has no choice but for her to be booted because later on, if say they do have a conviction, then they'll be like, oh, well, we can't trust her. And then it'll be a whole appeal and all other crap, child. But Willis's office has argued that Bradley, who testified that his claims about Wade and Willis were speculation, is an unreliable witness who had every motive to lie. After he'd left Wade's law practices under suspicion of essay. I don't remember that. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's why he's doing this. He mad he got fired. Y'all. That means that if Terrence had to be let go from Nate's law firm because of alleged essay, then Terrence is like, but nigga, you over here doing this. That's why he running off at the mouth, child. I'm late. Wait, this for me. Y'all, this for me. It's a lot going on. I apologize. Yo. Half damn crazy. Child, this is better than General Hospital, okay? Judge John. Oh, what if his essay was with that commissioner lady? Who was convicted of essay with regard to her head of security or her chief of staff, I mean. Woo, it's all running together. Shout out to LaToya Crantrell down there in Memphis, New Orleans. Ooh, Lord. Is March really an extension of Black History Month? Oh, Lord. Judge John McAfee. Poor Judge McAfee. Judge McAfee is like, you coloreds, you Negroes, I can't get a bit of rest, relaxation, a break. I'm sick of y'all. You get on my nerves. If it ain't one thing, it's something else. Fire them all. What if he came out and said that, y'all? Judge John McAfee has said he hopes to rule on whether Willis can stay on the case in the next 2 weeks. Shoot, be lucky if it'd be 2 more hours. It was not immediately clear Monday whether the court would reopen the hearing to receive additional evidence. Reps for Willis's office did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Of course they didn't. What else they gonna do? The only person been quiet is Nate. Only person that's been. Now listen, Cindy, is her name Cindy? You could have came out sooner, because Terrence, I do not recall, Bradley was on a damn stand for like 3-4 days, child. We already know he was lying any daggone way. Terrence looks like he should work for Death Row Records or something. And that was Fanny in court on Friday with new hair and a new dress put on correctly. Ooh, Lord, Lord, Lord. For those that just got here may have missed it, child. Breaking news, breaking news. Fannie Willis warned Nathan Wade's lawyer to stay quiet about affair, court filing claims. They are coming after us. We're trying to see, or we'll find out probably the next couple of days if they're going to let this woman speak. Judge McAfee probably just going to come out here and be like, everybody fired. He's just going to be coming out here talking about everybody fired. I'm sick of all of y'all. He's going to sit up here and be like, I agree with the lead attorney.
She was fucking his best friend. So, I mean, everybody's fucking down here in Atlanta. I don't know what to tell you. They breeding like rabbits down here. Everybody getting ass.
That's probably what Judge McAfee is saying. Child, this is crazy. This is too much. But FYI, that's what's going on around here, y'all. So breaking news, child. Breaking news. We're going to be on it. We'll see what happens in the next day or two, child. Woo! Good luck to Atlanta. Shout out to y'all who down there in Atlanta.
We do not care.